In this video I'm going to show you how to make a really easy yet really tasty eggless potato salad. This side dish goes so well at a barbecue, picnic, Thanksgiving, in fact any celebration when you're catering for large numbers. You can make it in advance, make it the day before, it tastes even better the next day. And your guests won't even know it's not made with real mayonnaise. So let's get started with our potatoes. How do I switch this off? I'm using baby new potatoes for this recipe, but you can use any white potato. Just peel them if you prefer, give them a wash and chop them into bite-sized pieces. All the ingredients and the measurements are in the description down below. Put your washed potatoes into a saucepan and cover with boiling water and a pinch of salt. Pop on the lid and then you're going to gently boil these for 10 to 15 minutes until they're firm but not mushy. And now we're going to take our delicious vegetables, starting with the celery, slice it down the middle. That makes it easier to chop into little pieces. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. That will support me to make you more videos. Pop all your chopped up celery into a mixing bowl, and then we're going to move on to our red bell peppers. Chop these into little bite-sized pieces. We're using lots of fresh, raw ingredients to give this salad lots of hidden, crunchy goodness. Now the peppers can join the party with the celery, and we're going to check on our potatoes. Use a fork to push into one of the pieces, and if it's firm but it slides in easy, it's ready. We don't want the potatoes to be too mushy. Now drain your potatoes and we're going to leave them to cool. Next we're going to add a finely diced red onion, or you could use spring onion or Spanish onion. The final vegetables we're adding are dill pickles or sweet gherkins. These give a lovely extra dimension to the potato salad. Chop them up and add them to the mixing bowl. If you haven't got any dill pickles, you could experiment with some fresh herbs like dill, parsley, mint, or you could even pop in a bit of freshly chopped chilli if you like a bit of a kick. We're going to stick with the salt and the pepper and keep it simple for this one. Now mix all of your fresh raw ingredients together. Look at that, so colourful and so tasty. To start making the eggless sauce, we're going to use a vegan mayonnaise. My favourite is Hellmann's. They don't sponsor me, I haven't got enough subscribers for that. I just find it tastes so much like normal mayonnaise. Add 1 cup or 240 ml of the vegan mayonnaise into your raw ingredients with the apple cider vinegar and the mustard. And then give this a good stir all together. Don't forget, all the ingredients and the measurements are in the description down below, so you can check that out at the end of the video. Once this is all mixed together, we're going to take our potatoes that have cooled down nicely and add them gently to the mixture. Then we need to stir it all together. Be careful not to mush the potatoes at this point. We want to keep the potatoes nice and biteable. And the last thing we're going to do is add some nice chopped chives or some chopped parsley, just to give it that extra little touch. And now it's time to eat it. Now that tastes cracking. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do make the potato salad, please leave a comment down below how you got on. Also, let me know in the comments of any other eggless recipes you'd like me to make. And you can watch some more recipes right here, right now, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you!